So next we'll have the example. Find the convolutional integral of x of t e to the power minus 2t u of t. H of t is u of t plus 2. So to fetch first 1 mark, you have to write the equation. Y of t is equal to integration of tau equal to minus infinity to plus infinity x of tau h of t minus tau d tau, right? So try to represent x of t in terms of x of tau, h of t in terms of h of t minus tau. So what is it? X of tau, t is replace t by tau, e to the power minus 2 tau u of tau. And what is your h of t minus tau? Replace t by t minus tau. So when you replace t by t minus tau, this will be u of t minus tau plus 2. For our simplification and understanding, you can write now it as minus infinity to plus infinity e to the power minus 2 tau u of minus tau plus t plus 2. Is it fine? Right? So keep e to the power minus 2 tau as it is. You can integrate it later. Now try to find what is the multiplication of u of tau and u of minus tau plus t plus 2. It is all just representing these signals in terms of waveforms and try to see that where they get overlap. I'll try to go a little bit faster. U of tau, as I go slowly, it is consuming a lot of memory, and sending these files to you is becoming a hectic task. So u of tau is starting at 0, axis tau, x-axis with an amplitude 1, right? This is your u of tau. Next, u of minus tau, right? The signal is u of minus tau shifted by t plus 2, right? So again I am trying to draw somewhere t plus 2, assuming that it is greater than 0 towards right side. It exists towards right side. That is my assumption. And since it is u of minus tau, it will extend towards left side. Okay. And what is the value? Amplitude is still 1. And it is u of minus tau when you write it 0 here. Sorry. You write it 0. So it is simply reflected version of this signal. Right? Am I right? So when you write this as u of minus tau, okay, this is u of minus tau extending towards left side with at 0. But I don't have u of minus tau only. What I have? I have u of minus tau shifted by t plus 2. So when you write this signal as plus t plus 2, okay, t plus 2 shifted by t plus 2, right? So now you will come to know what I am trying to do again. So I am trying to shift this signal. I will keep this as it is. I will shift this signal such that t plus 2 is less than 0, t plus 2 is greater than 0. T plus 2 less than 0 means what? You are trying to pull this signal towards left side. T plus 2 greater than 0 means you are trying to pull this signal towards right side. Since this signal is extending towards left, because it is u of minus tau, so when you extend towards right, this will never ending process because it is towards minus infinity, right? So the signals are existing from minus infinity and towards whatever you pull. But when you extend towards left side, it is the limit is only at t plus 2. So when you extend here towards less than 0, then there will be no samples after 0, and hence when you try to overlap them, the signals get multiplied and your answer will be something 0. So what you try to have? Y of t, right, for t plus 2 less than 0. Why 0? Because here your signal is u of tau only, and y of t for t plus 2 greater than or equal to 0. So quickly I'll try to draw this u of for this condition t plus 2 less than 0. Okay, First I have u of tau. System. Right. So next u of minus tau plus t plus 2. U of minus tau plus t plus 2. Right. Now what is the condition? As I told, the first condition is t plus 2 less than 0. T plus 2 less than 0 means somewhere I should draw the signals towards left side. Draw the x-axis. Okay. Here. Since it is u of minus tau, it will extend towards left side. Okay. With an amplitude 1 shifted by t plus 2, which is less than 0. So it is. So when you try to multiply, see that there is never overlapping region. If I try to overlap this, check it. This is my signal. You try to overlap 1 into 0, it will be 0. If you try to overlap with this, okay, if you try to overlap this region, this 1 into 0. For x of t, I don't have any signal, and hence your complete y of t, we write it as 0. For what condition? For t plus 2 less than 0. Okay. Similarly, for t plus 2 greater than or equal to 0, I'll try to solve. Again, try to draw u of tau. With an amplitude 1, which signal is u of tau. Now, t plus 2 greater than or equal to 0. Greater than or equal to 0 means this signal you are trying to tell that it is greater than or equal to 0, extending towards minus infinity with an amplitude 1, x-axis u of minus tau, if you write here 0, but shifted by t plus 2. So t plus 2 is your t plus 2. Now, hope many of you are getting. So what will be overlapping region? If I try to draw this, for your understanding, I am showing this with overlapping. Do not try to imitate the same in your exams. It is not necessary. Just to understand from where the limits should be written. That's it. I don't want you to waste time in doing this, right? Only for your understanding, I am trying to tell this. This is your overlapping region. The signals are existing. After this, t plus 2, I don't have any signal. For this, if you try to multiply both these, I have 1 because it is towards infinity plus infinity. So 1 into 0 after t plus 2 will be 0, right? And before this is 0 for x of tau, that is any signal less than 0 for x of tau, I have 0. 0 into, but I have here for this signal 0 into 1, again 0. So only thing where the samples I get or the values I get for y of t is integration tau equal to 0 to t plus 2. Okay, right? 0, this is 0, 0 to t plus 2. This is your overlapping region. So what is the equation? You had got it as e to the power x of tau is e to the power minus 2 tau. Am I right? E to the power minus 2 tau, and u of tau is 1. U of tau is 1, and u of equation, another equation is u of minus tau plus t plus 2. It is also 1. So u of tau into u of minus tau plus t plus 2. Both are 1 into 1, 1 dt. So now integration, right? So integration of e to the power minus 2 tau d tau. So e to the power minus 2 tau divided by minus 2, since it is with respect to tau. Limits 0 to t plus 2. So what is this? E to the power, substitute upper limit, e to the power minus 2 t plus 2, right, minus e to the power 0 divided by minus 2, which is equal to e to the power minus 2 t plus 2 minus 1 divided by minus 2. This minus sign I will take above. 1 minus e to the power minus 2 t plus 2 divided by 2. This minus sign I have taken above. Okay. or just multiply and divide by -1. That's it. So when you multiply by -1 and divide by -1, okay, -1 into -2, it is 2. -1 into this is minus sign, -1 into this plus. That's it. Okay. So this is your y of t. What is the condition? Condition is t plus 2 greater than or equal to 0. Here also you can write it as, for this value is true for t plus 2 greater than or equal to 0. So at one go, people might not be understanding. So try to watch this video again and again. Or some of your friends who have good grasping, they will understand easily. So you try to call them, have video calling, okay, WhatsApp calling and so on. Even if you are not understanding, you can call me at any time. Okay, 2 or 3 people or 4 or 5 people get together and have a conference call with me or video call with me. I will try to make you understand. Okay. So we'll go for next example.